So I recently read in the news that Akshay Kumar is suing somebody for 500 crores for allegedly defaming him. Apparently, some YouTuber out of Bihar took it upon himself to defame the actor. The one case I know that the most amount of damages was granted was 100 crore rupee. Suit was decreed in favor of a retired Supreme Court judge when mistakenly an intern at Times Now showed the picture of the judge instead of another judge and ran the tagline accused of corruption. This judge filed a 100 crore rupee defamation case and won it, I believe, mainly primarily because nobody from Times Now showed up. Therefore, an ex parte judgment was granted in favor of the retired judge. When the matter went in appeal, the courts directed Times Now to deposit the entire 100 crore rupees with the court and then only will they hear the appeal. After that, I don't really know what happened in the matter. Coming back to this particular issue, Akshay Kumar sent a defamation notice right now, did not actually sue the person. Of course, the YouTuber would not have any money to give, let alone 500 crore rupees. Besides the point, if you choose to perhaps sue a person for 1 crore, 10 crore, 500 crore, or 5,000 crores, two things you need to remember. One thing is that the courts of India are, anyways, very, very reserved in granting any sort of excessive damages beyond what the plaintiff is actually able to prove he has suffered as damage to his reputation. Secondly, even if you are able to do it, you have to realize that the first and the biggest impediment in your way lies at the time of filing of the case itself. Because the courts of law, trying to prevent exactly such an issue of people coming in with thousands of crores rupees worth of claims, has mandated that whatever amount you are asking for, you have to deposit a certain percentage of that as court fee as well. In the glorious National Capital Territory of New Delhi, if you wish to sue somebody and want to seek some money, general rule of thumb is approximately 1% of whatever you are asking for, you must deposit first in the court of law. And if you are found successful, you will get that money along with the court fee that you have submitted, which is to be paid to you by the defendant then. However, if you now want to sue somebody like Akshay Kumar for maybe 500 crore rupees, that means 1% of 500 crores being 5 crore rupees, you will have to immediately first and foremost deposit in the court of law, and then only will you be able to proceed. Assuming that Mr. Akshay Kumar is going to file the defamation case in the state of Maharashtra, where I believe he must be residing because of the Bollywood connection. From what I gathered, you may not hold me to it. From what I gather, approximately 2% is the amount of court fees which you have to deposit in the court. And if I'm wrong, you may please correct me in the comments. 2% of 500 crore rupees means 10 crore rupees needs to be immediately deposited by Akshay Kumar for him to be able to file his case and fight it in a court of law. And that is the, ladies and gentlemen, biggest impediment in you wanting to sue someone for crores or hundreds of crores or thousands of crores of rupees.